Welcome back to Ride Ready Reviews, the channel where we bring you the most electrifying updates from the world of supercars, bikes, and everything that runs on wheels. If you dream of speed, crave comfort, and live for the thrill of innovation, then you've just landed on the perfect channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for daily automotive adventures that redefine travel and technology. Today, we're taking you on an exclusive journey inside the all-new 2026 Honda Motorhome, a vehicle that blends futuristic design with Japanese engineering brilliance. Honda has once again shown the world that it's not just a leader in compact cars and motorcycles, but a true innovator in the RV and motorhome market as well. The 2026 Honda Motorhome is not only an evolution in mobile living, but a revolution in how we perceive life on the road. Let's start with the exterior. The 2026 Honda Motorhome showcases a sleek, aerodynamic silhouette, designed not only to look stunning, but to maximize fuel efficiency and reduce drag. Its futuristic LED lighting system wraps around the body seamlessly, giving it a bold road presence even in the dead of night. The smart roof is equipped with high-output solar panels, helping to power onboard electronics and reduce reliance on external charging sources. The body is constructed with Honda's advanced lightweight composite materials, making it sturdy yet efficient for long-distance travel. Under the hood, this motorhome is powered by Honda's next-generation hybrid powertrain, combining a turbocharged V6 engine with dual electric motors. This setup delivers an impressive balance of torque and mileage, allowing you to cruise through highways, climb steep terrains, and maneuver through city streets with ease. The intelligent all-wheel drive system ensures that no matter the terrain or weather condition, the 2026 Honda Motorhome is always ready for the road ahead. Now let's step inside. As soon as you enter, you're welcomed into a living space that redefines comfort and functionality. The interior has been designed with a focus on minimalism and modern aesthetics, featuring natural wood textures, ambient LED lighting, and soft-touch materials throughout. The layout includes a spacious lounge area with configurable seating, a fully equipped modular kitchen, a high-tech bathroom with water-saving fixtures, and a private master bedroom with a queen-size bed and smart storage compartments. Technology is where Honda truly shines. The cockpit is fitted with a wraparound digital dashboard that includes a 15-inch infotainment screen, navigation with real-time weather updates, and Honda's advanced driver assist features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. For travelers who work remotely, Honda has also added a dedicated workstation area with 5G connectivity, noise-canceling cabin tech, and built-in charging ports. One of the most impressive features is the smart climate control system that learns your preferences and adjusts the temperature, lighting, and even scent according to your mood and time of day. The motorhome also comes with voice-activated controls, gesture recognition for entertainment and lighting, and a central AI assistant that helps manage all onboard functions with ease. Safety is top-notch with multiple 360-degree cameras, blind spot monitoring, automatic parking, and even an anti-theft drone surveillance feature. Yes, you heard it right. The 2026 Honda Motorhome comes with a deployable drone that provides aerial security around the campsite and sends alerts directly to your phone if anything seems unusual. Honda has also focused on sustainability. From the eco-friendly interior materials to the regenerative braking system and solar charging capability, every detail in this motorhome supports green living. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a cross-country adventure, this vehicle is built to deliver a guilt-free, luxurious experience. The 2026 Honda Motorhome is more than just a vehicle. It's a mobile sanctuary that combines Honda's signature reliability with modern luxury and environmental responsibility. For those who want to explore the world without compromising comfort or connectivity, this motorhome offers the perfect Balanced dot. So what do you think about the 2026 Honda Motorhome? Would you take this beauty on your next road trip? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Ride Ready Reviews for more exciting updates from the future of mobility.